All right, welcome into fall 2020. My name is Elizabeth Jeffrey Arsenault. You can call me Mrs. A, and I will be your instructor for this semester. So I'm going to go over what you can expect on Canvas and sort of the outline of the course, and we'll get ready. So this is course 2113, or developmental psychology. A lot of you are probably nursing majors or other people who are interested in the health field. So I'm going to start by sharing my screen. I'm going to jump to your Canvas page. So when I go in, if this is not your section, don't worry. Each section will be exactly the same. So the first thing I'm going to click on is week 1. So this is basically an overview of what to expect this week. So you're going to need to review the syllabus and watch a 5-minute intro video. You already did that. Good for you. So let's start by reviewing the syllabus. I'm not going to read it verbatim. You can do that. Okay, it's just basically the name of the class, my email address if you want to send me an email, my Google Voice number. The best way to get to me is, or to reach me, is to send me a message on Canvas, but you can also send me a text, or you can call me if you can't explain it well over a message. That sometimes happens. So you can see all of the assessments that you will have this semester, and then the textbook. So let's go back to week 1. And in week 1, the next thing that we have is the textbook information. So I'm going to go ahead and look at that, or go look at that textbook information. So that's going to be on the home screen in module 1, which is also this week. I'm going to click on this textbook page and kind of go over that. So when I click on that, I'm telling you the textbook that I'm going to teach from, which is going to be the Lifespan Development, A Topical Approach, 3rd edition. That's what I'm going to be teaching out of. I'm aware that there's a 4th edition and a 2nd edition. If you choose to get the 4th edition, that's great. It's a little bit more expensive. That's okay. If you want to get the 2nd edition, that's also fine. The 4th and the 2nd are going to be a little bit different. So the content is going to be slightly different. But if that's what you want to get, those are fine. You can get them at the bookstore. I also have Amazon and a link attached here because they might be a little bit cheaper. Okay, you can kind of go look at this yourself. Let's go back to our homepage and let's see what else we need to do. So I'm going to go back to week 1, kind of give myself a reference. What else do I need to accomplish? So we have a practice quiz and a discussion board. It also tells you that all of your assignments will be due on Mondays and Wednesdays, and typically you will have a week. So this week you don't, because I have to get some assignments in for show and no show, but generally you'll have about a week. So let's go look at your assignments. I'm going to go back, and we're going to go back into week 1. So in here, before I get to the assignment, you can see you have a tech services or computer resources. So this is if you are having a technical problem, or if you need to speak with IT for some reason. The IT phone number is here. This is Canvas Quick Link. So this is if you want to set up a picture or you want to personalize your Canvas page. The Virtual Student Center can be used if you have questions about different assignments. Like maybe you want extra tutoring on an assignment. After you've asked me, you just want additional tutoring, or maybe you want tutoring in a different class. You can find information and resources here, or where to start that process. You can also find things like for disability services if you need more information about that. So let's go into that assignment. So one of the first assignments you will have is introducing you. So this is a discussion board, and then of course our quiz. So let's start off with the discussion board. When I click into the discussion board, you can see that it's asking me a list of questions. So what you're going to do is answer the discussion board. And then after you answer the discussion board, you're going to respond to 2 classmates. So if you have not done a discussion board before, you're going to go ahead and click reply. Then you're going to type your answer. I like cheese. It is so good. I don't know, whatever you like, whatever you want to talk about. All right, then you're going to post reply. And then you're going to respond to 2 classmates. So let's go back. So the next thing that you're going to do is the orientation quiz. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Oh, let's go back and click on orientation quiz. So I'm going to click on orientation quiz. Well, by Jove. Okay, second time I clicked on that. It's okay. We're just going to go with this. I'll come back to the quiz. So Zoom small groups. So this is where you're going to schedule a 30-minute meeting with between 1 and 10 classmates. And so in these meetings, we're going to basically we might talk about one of your assignments for that week. We might do a bonus point assignment. And this week, I'm going to talk about what you can expect on how you're going to be graded. What are some tips for you to be successful in an online environment? And what are some things that you need to keep in mind that will result in you making a good grade in this class? So that's what we're going to talk about this week. We're going to have 10 of these small group sessions for the entire semester. 5 of them will count towards your grade. So I strongly encourage that you get them out of the way early. Okay, so let's go back. And then we're going to finally give it time to load. Then we're going to click on this orientation quiz. So this is going to be an overview of what all of the information that I just showed you. So did you read over the course syllabus? Of course you did. So you're going to click true. Then we're going to go, oh, snap. Okay, wait, let's tidy up this video. Then we're going to go and answer our question in this section. So we're going to finish the quiz. And then once we're finished, we're going to click submit. Submit will be at the bottom. Okay. All right. Those are all of your assignments for this week. Just make sure that you take the time to kind of look over Canvas. And if you have any questions or concerns, just go ahead and let me know. And I will see you this semester.